This news just breaking. Donald Trump has done it again, ladies and gentlemen, for the second straight day. He is warning India of a substantial hike on tariffs, but this time he's saying it will happen in the next 24 hours, essentially giving India a deadline of 24 hours, saying stop buying Russian oil or face more tariffs. Donald Trump has also threatened to impose tariffs on the pharma sector. Let me go straight across to my colleague Hina, who is joining us live. Hina, just this morning, there has been in fact last night, there has been a strong, pushback, and that's the best way to describe it, a strong pushback to America, calling out their hypocrisy in dealing with Russia. Then what in your mind, prompted this second threat accompanied with a deadline for India?
Well, Shreya, what we can say is that Donald Trump is the President of the United States of America, but at heart he is a true businessman. Eventually, he only knows deals, transactions, and that's it. Because what we are seeing right now are basically tantrums, tariff tantrums, and as many have been calling them, because he wants India to allow access to the market that India offers, which is extremely lucrative for a country like the United States of America. So Donald Trump knows the importance of India very well, and that's the reason why he's using these tactics to coerce India into accepting the demands that America has. Because, even if, Donald Trump equated Indian economy with Russia, saying that, it's a dead economy, he knows very well the importance of the Indian market, and that's the reason why these kind of statements are coming almost on a daily basis. As you correctly mentioned, now he has given us another 24-hour deadline wherein he has said that it's going to be far higher than 25%. He's also spoken about 250% as tariff in the pharmaceutical sector. Little does he know that, if he does that, then it is going to badly impact the pharma sector in his own country as well. And all these warnings are coming from one side. Perhaps he expected India to come to the negotiation table with something that's going to benefit Trump more, but that's not happening either, because India has made its stand absolutely clear. You call us a dead economy, fair enough. For us, it's national interest that comes first. And by the way, they've also called out the hypocrisy, because in February 2022, if I'm not wrong, it was America that wanted India to buy oil from Russia.
Correct.
And now the same America is saying, since you're doing business with Russia, since you're buying oil from Russia, selling it in the open market for profits, and hence it's not making me happy. He needs to understand India is not there to ensure his happiness. We are going to ensure what is good for our country, and if buying oil from Russia is good for our economy, why not?
Absolutely. This Donald Duck type of diplomacy doesn't work. You have one policy when Joe Biden is the president, and that policy turns to its head, turns turtle quite literally when Donald Trump works in, and this is in reference to India buying oil from Russia. India's stand has been very clear. We will buy oil from wherever we get it at the best rates. That is in national interest. If we find an alternate to Russia, which is giving us cheaper oil, we'll buy oil from there. So that has been India's stand. They are not ready to give in. What are the sort of additional tariffs that we are looking at? We already have 25%, plus we have an unknown penalty that we don't know about. Now Donald Trump is warning us of more tariffs. Is there a figure we are looking at? Because I do understand that these are all bargaining tactics as well at the end of the day. But what is the number we are looking at? Well,
you're right. These are only bargaining tactics, because he knows the importance of an Indian market, the demographic dividend that India has, the kind of consumer base that India really offers to a country like the United States of America. So as of now, there is a 10% baseline tariff, which was announced a couple of months ago. So that stays. Then he made an announcement of 25% plus penalty. So as of now, Shreya, we do not have this clarity whether this 25% is going to be in addition to the 10% baseline tariff that already exists for our exporters, or it includes the 10%, because then it will make it 10 plus 15. No clarity on penalty yet, and now he has threatened more, in the next 24 hours. So we can just, keep an eye on Truth Social. I mean, that's where we will get to know.
Imagine the leader of a country as big and powerful as America conducting diplomacy via social media. That says something about the man on our screens. I don't think we should be taking him seriously at all. We leave it there for